Hello friends, my name is Dr. Sunil Kumar Jatak. Today we will discuss another problem which is based on the law of comminutions. So you are welcome in the channel Meta Engineering. So problem is given the sample of the sample uh, problem given the sample of material is crushed in the black chalk gases such that the average size of particles is the reduced from the 50 mm to 10 mm. So 50 mm is the product size, 10 mm is 50 mm is the feed size and 10 mm is the product size. With the energy consumptions is 13 kilowatt per kg per second. So here df is given 50 mm and dv is given 10 mm. Energy consumptions pym is given pym is given 13 kW by kg per second. So that should be convert into the kilowatts per hour tons. So kilowatts per hour tons, it is 3.61 kilowatt hours per tons. It is calculated. So here this kg should be converted into ton and seconds should be converted into the hours. So that come like that. So according to Kick's law, E is equal to P by M is equal to KK ln df by dp. E is given 3.61 and KR have to calculate. Ln is feed size is given 50 and dp product size is given 50. That was calculate kk is equal kk is convert kk. This is the solve. So ln is come 0.69 1.609. So kk is calculated approx 3.61 divided 1.609 is equal to 2.244 kilowatt hours mm by ton. This is in the first case. In the second case, he said that the second case we have to calculate the energy consumption to crush the same material by using the same machines 75 mm average to the 25. So here df is 75 mm, dv is 25 mm, kk we calculated because that is the same for because same machine and same material is used. So kWh mm per ton. So against the Kick's law is applied. So we put 3.61 is equal to kk and ln 75 divided by 25 and this so not this. Here we have to put the E because E is the calculated for the same. So kicks constant we have calculated 2.244 ln 75 by 25, that is calculated, and it will come 2 point it come 2.464 kilowatt hours per ton. So that is the answer. So thank you for your patience, and this you understand this problem, I hope. And if you have doubt, you can write in the comment box. Thank you.